Everything is better with bacon, right? How about muffins? Howard shows us how to make bacon biscuit cups in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Before we get going today, I want to remind you that this weekend, it's time to change your clocks. That means for all clocks, well, except the ones on your phone and computer, Saturday night, you need to set them 1 hour ahead. Unfortunately, that also means we're going to lose an hour of sleep. So to help you jumpstart your Sunday, we've got a recipe that's easy, filling, and smoking good. We start by beating together some cream cheese, a bit of milk, and an egg. Once that's smooth, we stir in some shredded Swiss cheese and a chopped scallion. Now we flatten some refrigerated biscuits and place them in muffin cups like this. We top each one with a little crumbled bacon and then spoon some of our cream cheese mixture over that before popping them in the oven. When they're done, you'll have a golden crust and a bubbly hot filling. After sprinkling on a little more bacon, it's time to go to town. Let me tell you, one bite of these and no one will remember that we lost an hour of sleep. To get the recipe for our bacon biscuit cups, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a waking up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
If I had that for breakfast, I'd be fast forwarding my clock too.